Today, I'm going to break down the exact strategies our clients use to scale with confidence using powerful dropshipping ads through Sellvia Ads. It's not about luck or magic. It's about the right system, smart metrics, and a few game-changing tips. Ready? Let's jump into tip number 1. Sellvia Ads uses click-based advertising, so you only pay when someone actually clicks. That means every dollar you spend goes toward attracting people who are truly interested in your product. And the more you spend, the more revenue you can generate. It scales with you. Let me give you a quick example. One of my clients started small with just $10 a day. In a few weeks, we bumped that to 15, then to 20. Guess what? Their sales didn't just double, they grew consistently because the product was great and the audience was targeted. And here's the best part. Because Sellvia Ads is powered by AI, it finds the best platforms for your product and shows your ads where they most likely actually to convert. Amazon, Google, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all with just one click. To summarize, your ad budget is a tool, not an expense. Spend smart and your store will grow. Tip number 2 is something most people actually ignore, but it's the key to long-term success. It's called Break-Even ROAS, return on ad spend. And here's why it matters. Let's say you spend $1 on ads and make $2 in sales. Sounds great, right? But after subtracting product costs, shipping fees, you might actually be losing money. To find your break-even ROAS, just divide 1 by the net profit percentage before ads. If your net profit is 40%, then your break-even ROAS is 2.5. That means you need at least $2.5 in sales for every $1 spent, just to break even. Tip number 3 is all about control, or what I call tweaking the dials. This means using the data inside your Sellvia dashboard to guide your decisions. Which listings are getting the most ad spend? Which ones are converting well? Which are falling below your break-even ROAS? And here's where Sellvia Ads makes life easier. AI automatically prioritizes the best performing listings. It shows them to the most qualified audiences, and it optimizes your campaigns 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Your job? Expand your product range to give the AI algorithm more options to promote and learn from. And of course, scale your budget slowly. That's how you grow to $25,000 a month and stay there. Let's quickly recap. Use your ad budget wisely. It's the engine behind your growth. Track your ROAS. You can monitor it anytime in your dashboard. Tweak the dials, analyze your data, and scale strategically. And remember, Sellvia Ads isn't just an advertising tool. It's a complete system designed to help you grow without the guesswork. You get automated campaigns, fast results, AI-powered targeting, and full control, all in one dashboard. If you're serious about scaling with dropshipping ads, this is the smartest, simplest way to do it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.